Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Joey here again, and today we're going to be doing yet another wig review. And as you can see, this wig review is brought to you by LUVME Hair, which I'm super excited. Finally, we are reviewing this. Let's get this on and popping, y'all. So first of all, I want to see what the hype was all about. So right off the bat, I'm doing an unboxing with you guys, and I'm super impressed with this packaging. I think it's absolutely beautiful and luxurious, and just what it brings inside, it brings some extra stuff in there, which I think is absolutely cute. Especially because sometimes, you may be lacking and stuff for your wig. So I think that was very thoughtful. So they bring this little pouch, and in this pouch you get a couple of things. You do get a rat tooth comb, which is always handy for parting your wig. You also get a paste, kind of like a paste stick for your flyaways, which that always comes in handy just in case, you get some crazy flyaways, especially with human hair because it's so smooth, so you might get a little bit of flyaways. Then you get this super cute clip, which I'm going to be using later to style my wig at the end. You also do get some bobby pins because those always come in handy as well when we're customizing our wig, to clip our hair back or to even style the wig if you want to. You also do get a tweezer, which your girl definitely needed one because I lost mine last week. I don't know where it went, but good looking, LUVME, because I definitely needed that. You also get this band. I guess you put this on the back. I'm not really sure what this is, to be honest with you, but you get that, whatever that is. Another thing that I'm loving is that you also get some wig caps, because sometimes you may lose your wig caps. Maybe yours might rip or something, so you do get some nude wig caps in there, which you will definitely need. You also get this pamphlet that explains how the company works, their return policy, and how to take care of the hair, all the mumbo jumbo, all the stuff that you got to know about the company. So you also get these bands. I guess these are the ones that you hook onto the bands that are inside the wig already. So if you want to wear it as a band instead of wearing your adjustable straps, you can go ahead and do that. I'm not going to go ahead and use these because I completely saw them pointless. So let's get to this hair. Look how beautifully packaged this hair is. It's so luxurious and beautiful. I'm loving it. Look at how beautiful these curls are. Like, these curls pretty much, they remind me of my curls when I get a nice wash and go, like the perfect wash and go. Like, they're so moisturized, so beautiful. The lace is invisible. It's pretty much invisible. It's really beautiful. And you are getting 4 combs in there, and also your adjustable straps, which I will be hooking on later because y'all know I am small-headed. But the density on this wig is absolutely beautiful. It is 150% density. It's all around dense. Like, it just has volume all around. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I tinted my wig cap with some Sally Hansen leg spray, and I'm using the color medium glow. I did want it to look a little bit more natural. I wanted it to blend more with my skin, just a little tiny bit. But one thing that I did notice with this unit, with the fitting of this unit, is that it is more on the medium headed side. So I do believe that maybe if you put that band on, it might fit a little bit better, but I did notice that it was pretty snugged on, and I am small-headed, so yeah. The combs in the back definitely helped me with the fitting in the back because I was almost scared that it was not going to fit, but we successfully put this wig on. By the way, the name of this wig is Celebrity Curly Frontal Wig. So I forgot to definitely mention this to you guys. I'm so sorry about that, but this is the Celebrity Curly Frontal Wig, and this unit comes in 2 different lengths. I'm wearing her in 10 inches. She does come in 12 inches as well, and she does come with this beautiful side part, but she does have 13x4 parting space. So if you want to go ahead and part her wherever you want, you go ahead and do that and do like different cute hairstyles. I'm just going to keep her as a side part, which is definitely never like me, but I just decided to go ahead and do that. The front of the hair is pretty dense, so you do want to go ahead and pluck because I found that it was pretty dense. I kind of was going to do a side like a side swoop, I guess. I don't know how to explain it, but kind of like a side swoop to the side. So it didn't really matter plucking for me. But I will tell you, if you want to go ham and you want to go crazy, you want to bleach the knots, you want to go all out, I would definitely tell you either go ahead and bleach the knots or go ahead and pluck that hairline, because it is pretty dense in the front. It is a little bit pre-plucked, but I had to go ahead and pluck it just a little bit and also put some of my powder on there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and glue this unit with my Got2b glue, because I do not feel like gluing it down with like super hold wig glue, especially because I don't plan on wearing this wig for Thanksgiving, or I don't plan on wearing this wig for the rest of the week overall. So yeah, we're just gonna be gluing it down with some spray and some Got2b gel. So I did go ahead and create my own baby hairs as well. I'm not really sure if this one actually had baby hairs. Y'all know how I am with these baby hairs, but I don't believe I saw any. So I went ahead and I did add my own baby hairs to it on the side and the front. And I did also spray her down with just some water. I know it seems like there's something else in the spray bottle, but it's just water. I refilled it with just water, and I went ahead and sprayed it down to kind of define the curls a little bit more and to make them pop. I did want to keep some kind of volume on this wig. I didn't want it to be super duper wet down and stuff, but yeah, you guys, this is pretty much it. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm absolutely loving this wig. I was a little bit afraid because of the length, but honestly, this wig is super bomb. The hair is pretty nice and very soft, very manageable. And just overall, just working with this wig was not bad at all. Even though it did need some work, it wasn't like super bad. You can dye this hair, by the way. So if you want to dye this hair, bleach it and stuff, you can go ahead and do it. It's 100% human hair. But I'm absolutely loving it. I'm very impressed, and I'm loving how it came packaged and everything. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if you guys have tried this brand before. I am very, very impressed. Shout outs to them for sending me this unit to review for you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Peralta Knows Best. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, of course. And yes, please drop a comment below and let me know what you think and everything. I will be putting all the information below in the description box where you guys can buy this super affordable human hair unit, which is absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving it. I will see you guys soon. Bye.